here is where you can find your Apple ID password on the iPad. Let me get started and show you how it works, where you can find it. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so the Apple ID password is or could be stored inside of the passwords manager. So by default, we have the app, which is called literally passwords. You can get inside, and if you have anything stored in here, you will be able to see and retrieve the codes or passwords for individual different services. And in my case, as you can see, I have the Apple account. It is stored right there, and I have the Apple ID, and that means that I also have the password stored in here. That doesn't mean that you automatically have that as well, but just give it a try to see if you also have the password stored in here by any chance. So yeah, that could be the first approach. And if not, you can go to your settings, tap the profile at the top, and proceed to the sign in and security. And this is going to give you the ability to change your current Apple ID password. So even though you cannot technically find the old one, you can set up a brand new Apple ID password, which you will hopefully remember, or you can store it in the passwords app, and therefore you can start with a clean slate and you have a brand new password. So that is the other approach. Obviously, I hope that you were able to find what you needed and fix your device. So I would love to hear that below in the comments. Just update me about what's going on in your situation. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future uploads.